Hi guys, so this is kind of a unboxing video. I just recently received a package from, I'm going to mispronounce her name, it's Feree Mirsepassi. I'm really sorry if I mispronounced your name, I'm sure I did. Anyway, she has a nice little Etsy shop called Gemstone4U. It's like the number 4, and she's in Pennsylvania. So she sent me a few of her products. She's got some silicone molds and some silk screens, stencils, texture sheets. She's got a Teflon mat, which is fantastic for those who have trouble finding them if you want to do the Pebeo paint thing. And she's got some bindings and some gemstones and quite a lot of nice stuff. So anyways, she sent me some stuff probably about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't really had a chance even to look at them. I did take them out of the box, so kind of the unboxing thing doesn't work because I've already unboxed it, but I haven't opened up anything. So I'm going to have a look through here and maybe use one of these stencils because I think they look great. And so here's a sampling of what she sent me. So she's got these great little bootlace ferrules. Nice set, little mini cutters. I use these all the time. They're so handy. So that's fantastic. And some nice silk screens. Let's see, get some scissors and open these up. So that was so kind of you, Feree, for sending them to me. Thank you very much. So let's have a look here. The instructions are in the back. They're in French, but I think you can sort of make it out. It looks like you put the shiny side down and scrape your paint across as you would use a silk screen. She's also showing a version here. It looks like she's used like a glossy varnish on it to get a matte and a shiny look. I think that would be quite effective, and also with mica powder. I know I come from a bilingual country, but even after 5 years of high school French, I still don't speak it very well. So here's the silk screen. Beautiful. These are nice small patterns. Just I'll put it back on the card because it's hard to see. Just perfect for making pendants and stuff like that. Here's a bigger pattern. So I will put a link to her Etsy store if you want to have a look for yourself. That's quite a nice lacy look. And this one I really like. It's got little Taj Mahals and the fish scale sort of look. This almost looks like the little nesting dolls, little birds and leaves. That's fantastic. That's a really cute one. Yeah, beautiful. Love this one. I think we'll do this one. So I'll keep that one aside. And then she also sent me some texture sheets. So it looks like each one of these packages comes with 2 texture sheets. So this one has a rose pattern and kind of a brocade pattern, so it shows you on the outside. Those look fantastic, and that'll run right through your pasta machine without a problem. And this one has a damask kind of pattern and a paisley pattern, and this one has an open floral and Not sure what you'd call this. Beautiful floral design anyways. So yeah, these are fantastic. So thank you very much. And I'm sure her shop has lots of things that you can find that you might have just been looking for. Yeah, these are really nice. The length, even when you go through your pasta machine, is almost long enough to do a bracelet with. So that'll be very handy. So let's do a silk screen, just to see how they work. So I prepared a piece of clay. So this is just white Primo clay with mixed with granite. I really like the look of putting the granite clay in with the white. You get kind of that soft speckled look, and really then your white doesn't have to be quite so pristine white. You know how hard it is to keep white white. So here's the silk screen. I'll put it down with the shiny side down. Now, let's see here. I want to make sure I get those birds in there. I'll do it this way. I rolled my clay on a number 2. Probably, hang on a second. I'm going to put it on number 3, and that might make it big enough. Okay, so I've rolled it on the 3rd thickest setting now, so that it's plenty big enough. So just smooth it out, kind of burnish it in with your fingers. And for the paint, I think I'm going to go with the black on that granite clay. Would look nice. So I'm just going to use Artist Loft black acrylic paint. I bought that at Michael's. So I'll put a bit of across the front here. That's probably plenty. And I've got a scraper that I can use to scrape it down with. So you don't want to press too hard, just fairly evenly. And just make sure you don't have any big lumps of paint. Okay, that's not bad. Oops. Wasn't bad till I touched it. Okay, that's good. So then just wipe that off right away and get it in some cold water. And the silk screen for sure, get it in cold water right away. So I'll just lift one corner here. And get that in the cold water. So I'm just going to trim off this excess clay, and then I'm going to let that sit and dry, and then I'll be able to use that in pendants. So anyways, that's some products that I received, and I think they're fantastic. And hopefully you'll give her shop a visit. So see you next time. Bye.